You won't succeed in English unless you study. We won't go out unless it stops raining. She can't enter university unless she gets good marks. I won't help you unless you ask politely. They won't finish on time unless they work faster. You can't understand the text unless you read carefully. He won't buy the car unless it is cheaper. We won't succeed unless we try harder. She won't be happy unless she changes her attitude. You can't improve your English unless you practice. I won't go to the party unless my friends go. Students won't learn unless they pay attention. He won't get the job unless he prepares the interview. We can't solve the problem unless we work together. You won't understand maths unless you practice every day. She won't travel abroad unless she saves money. I won't forgive him unless he apologizes. They won't arrive on time unless they leave early. You can't be healthy unless you eat well. He won't pass an exam unless he studies regularly. We won't buy the house unless we get a loan. She won't trust you unless you tell the truth. You won't feel confident unless you prepare well. I won't change my mind unless you convince me. They won't win the match unless they play better. You can't finish the essay unless you organize your ideas. She won't relax unless she finishes her homework. He won't understand the film unless he watches it in English. You won't get better results unless you make an effort. The company won't survive unless it adapts to the new market. You won't master the language unless you immerse yourself in it. The situation won't improve unless the government implements reforms. He won't achieve his goals unless he overcomes his fears. Students won't excel unless they develop critical thinking. We won't solve climate change unless we reduce carbon emissions. She won't cope with stress unless she prioritizes her well-being. The project won't succeed unless all departments collaborate. You won't broaden your horizons unless you step out of your comfort zone. Society won't progress unless individuals take responsibility. The project will fail unless we allocate resources properly. Social conflict may increase unless authorities regulate misinformation. Students may stagnate unless schools nurture creativity. Debate will worsen unless people articulate ideas clearly. Progress won't happen unless leaders prioritize innovation. Awareness won't increase unless media highlight key issues.